Gold and silver both have seen a good drop, but again bouncing back from silver specifically bounced back from the support levels at 2240. We have mentioned very critical support exists there, while gold has also gone close to 1904 and 1900 zone. In that zone it is seen a good support and it has recovered since then. So what to expect today? Is it going to continue with the bearish mode today, or we can expect a bounce back? Which position you should take trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Your every like and every comment is a great support, great motivation, great inspiration for me. So do like, comment and share and subscribe as well. Also, pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. Next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. With that, let's start. First, we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. And to all my viewers, a very happy Independence Day to all my Indian followers and across the globe as well. With that, let's start. Again, looking at the hourly charts, trying to see this was the first drop. Now gold getting the support at 1905 1904 levels, and this is one again a very good support level, and hence if you see it trading below 1904, then only I will recommend you to sell. At the same time, three support levels left now on the downside: 1900, 1895 and 1891. These are the three support levels which gold has to breach in order to confirm the bearish trend, in order to stay bearish. Right now, since last few days, it appears the buyers are not interested in the precious metals, specifically gold and silver, and we can see very sluggish moves, and in fact the moves which are there are more or less bearish whenever it is tried to move. So let's watch out when it tries to reverse. It has not yet given us a significant move or significant interest. It has not shown for any upward move. If you look at right now, it is trying to stabilize at around 1905. It has got the support there, trying to recover. Now see again, 1908 1910 was the resistance earlier. Now it is going to be the support, and which was the support earlier is now going to be the resistance. Hence you can buy here at 1910, but remember, it has to stay above 1916 levels in order to confirm the rise. 1914-16 zone is going to be the greatest resistance for today, and beyond that 1920-22. If these two levels are breached, then you can confirm that the buyers are back in gold and we can see a rise, else this is just a retracement which it may try to show. Now if you look at the stochastic, this is retraced. MACD is bearish and this is again trying to hit the bottom before converging, crossing over. It is not yet willing to cross over. RSI is also starting to look upwards on the 2-hour chart. Similar observation on the 2-hour charts as well. Increasingly bearish candles, lower highs. I will wait for this candle where it closes is going to remain important, and the next candle, if it resumes its upward journey, possibly we can expect a little retracement on the upside. Stochastic flat. MACD is bearish here as well. RSI is flat almost. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at similar observation, the closing of this candle will decide which direction it wants to take. The next candle, if appears, opens above and continues its upward journey, possibly we can expect a little retracement. Now this is the zone which I am looking forward to: 1914 1916. First and very important resistance zone here. 1914 we have seen earlier was a good support, is now going to be the resistance, as well as 1916. So this is the zone which I am looking forward to. If it breaks past, sustains above this, you can say that it is trying to reverse. Stochastic flat. MACD is bearish here. RSI is also almost flat. Coming to 4-hour charts, similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Higher lows, lower highs are seen so far. Wait for the next candle. Any breakout on the upside may bring bulls. See this great resistance here, and hence you have to watch out there. Stochastic flat. MACD is also flat and it is trading almost at bottom here. RSI is also trading at bottom. Coming to the daily. Now see on the daily chart, the tail is created. A reversal can only be confirmed if it stays above 1916 levels and then breaks past 1922-20 zone. That is the reversal confirmation. Beyond that, possibly the bullishness will be there, else till this zone 1916 1914 we should not treat the gold as bullish. Also it can give you a symmetrical candle. As you can see, it has already yielded higher lows here, so possibly it could continue its upward move from here. See, stochastic oversold, could call for a pullback. MACD is trading bearish, divergent, it could call for a convergence here, and RSI is almost hitting the bottom here. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 1910, expect 1914 1916 as the first resistance zone, and on the downside a sell entry can be taken at 1904. Below that, 1900, 1895, 1891 are the three targets. On the upside, we have to remain extremely cautious at 1916 and then specifically 1920-22 zone. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver, and before we proceed, I have a couple of offerings for you. First is my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start in first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. See, silver tried to breach the critical support at 2240. It failed to stay below 2240, has recovered immediately, and a very good strong recovery is seen. Now again, it is trading above the support levels at 2260. We have seen and we have discussed this several times. 2260, 50, 40, these are three very strong support levels. If you look at the complete movement, it has again fallen back within this channel. It has to break past this channel, which means it has to stay above 2280 in order to confirm the rise. Hence, we have to wait for 2280 levels in order to confirm a buying entry here. Right now, it is more of consolidation. You can see this lower highs, higher lows are seen. Stochastic has retraced. MACD is divergent and it is bullish on the hourly charts, while RSI is also looking upwards, trying to stay bullish here. Coming to the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts as well, you can see a great support, great wall is formed here. You can look more closely and observe that. See, on the 2-hour charts, great support is mentioned here. Also look at this, head and shoulders inverted is formed on the 2-hour charts. With that, it is trying to recover. So possibly the next candle, once it stays above 2270, you can buy. See, this sell entry has to be above 2270. Eliminate the spreads here. Just this selling position has to be above 2270. But then also till 2280, it has got extremely good resistance. Only and only if silver stays above 2280, you should treat this for a reversal, else it is not a rise. Those who want to take a safe entry should only buy at 2280 levels. Stochastic almost flat, MACD trading with little divergence and bullishness, RSI looking upwards. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts as well, similar observation, nothing different. Only thing is, see, the previous candle has a good tail. It has tried to show a pullback. This candle also has formed a tail, getting a resistance from the 20 period moving average here. I think it should break past by, once it stays above, breaks past by 2280, possibly. That should be the reversal indication. Stochastic looking upwards, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is also trying to look upwards here. Coming to 4-hour charts. Now on the 4-hour charts, you can say same observation here. Now look at these two candles almost getting the resistance at the same zone, and this is very critical now. So a buying entry now I will recommend is above 2280. That is a safe buying entry for you to trade silver. Above 2280 is where the bulls will take over. And a selling entry is below 2250 levels only. Yes, only below 2250 I will recommend you to sell. Stochastic rising, MACD is trading with little divergence and bullishness, RSI is rising too. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, see, lower highs are seen. It has formed a good tail. It is trying to stay in this channel. A breakout out of this channel is what I would look forward to. 2280, then 23, and then 2320. Strong hurdles for silver on the upside. However, every hurdle is meant to be broken. You can say it has formed this. It can try to attempt to achieve the top of this channel. Right now, limiting itself at around 2340 levels for the day. And for maybe next few sessions, it should be somewhere in between 2320, 2350. Moving averages, trading with divergence, trading bearish here. And this zone again becomes critical for silver. There is a possibility that it could retrace till towards these levels. And right now it is more of consolidation. I will look to it. If it gives a break on the downside, again it is going to be a sharp break on the downside. So below 2250 and 2240, directly it will lend to 2220 and $22 levels. Yes, it may try to form double bottom here. Even if it is not bearish, it may try to form double bottom and bounce back. That is one observation. Else what it is trying to do, if it stays above this, you can say higher lows and higher highs. So this is one possibility that silver might try to continue with. It has yielded higher lows. See what has happened here. It has retraced here, and this could again repeat here. So be watchful. Stochastic oversold, trying to come out of the oversold levels. MACD have seen good great bearishness, trying to converge crossover. RSI is almost hitting the bottom. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell silver today at 2240 levels and buy silver, or rather you can sell at 2250 itself and expect 2240 as the first support and then 2220. and you can buy at 2280, expect 2320, and in fact it can rise further to that. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.